All right, January 10th here, quick overview. Tad hard to read, but that's the way it is. T-R-U-M-P, kind of like in classical German lettering. Allegorical sea monsters in progress. This one's pretty much done. Same with that one. These two are yet to be completed. I have to finish this here. Same thing with the medal on the private first class cap. All right, I got a lot to do yet, but it is coming along. I guess I got this whole upper section to do yet, yes. And I got a frame for a drawing I did on site at the Auschwitz death camp site in Poland in 1984 summer. And I'm going to think of joining the two frames side by side or one above the other. All right. Close your eyes for a second and imagine a big allegorical sea monster up here. Got it? Good. I like to have, in all the classes I did, Drawing for Healing, art therapy workshops, I like to leave things up to the imagination of the participants, school pupils, students, college, university students, so many pupils, especially in schools all around Scotland, and several in Wales and so on. All right, to be continued.